انفارمیشن ہے. Hey everyone, I'm back with another video from my recent trip to Denver, Colorado. In this video we'll be going to Garden of the Gods. It's mostly drive. There are some viewing areas where we'll be visiting as well. I have labeled everything. So please do like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So here we have entered into the park, the Garden of the Gods. This is not the regular entrance. So if you want to avoid crowds, you can search for the south side entrance where you can easily get in without getting into lines. So here we are stopping at first viewpoint from the south side, and you can see all these beautiful mountains and the valley and all these small rocks which are formed over hundreds of thousands of years. here we are driving in a loop. So there is a big loop around the whole park which you can drive through if you don't want to get out. But here we are passing from the main entrance area. So on the right side you will find some parking, and on the left side is the crux of the whole park, like the main viewing area. There is a parking close by where we are heading right now. Sometimes it gets filled up pretty fast, so you have to go to the main entrance and park there, and then walk up to this viewing area. So here is the main viewing area. This is the main attraction, where you can see like how these rocks are made over time. And you will see people hiking here as well, which you will see in a little bit. So as I mentioned earlier, people do climb these rocks. So you can see one of the rock climbers here climbing this rock. So this is the main scenic spot on your drive. So when you're driving in the loop, you will see some people park here. This is the most scenic spot, I would say, in the entire park. This is the last attraction which we visited on our way out. It's called Balanced Rock. So here you will see a giant rock balanced. There are several hikes if you want to do. There's a twin sisters area where you can hike to, but mostly those areas are always like packed. So make sure to come here early and get these things done. You might need a couple of hours to visit the entire park. So we ended our trip for Garden of the Gods. So please do like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next video. Thanks.